Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy code snippets from Google AI Studio to your app. So open up a new chat and just run my prompt. Okay, click here on run, and once you have run your prompt, you just come at the top right, you click on get code, and you'll see the different formats. So they have REST, Python, TypeScript, Java. Just select the one you want to use. For example, let's do TypeScript. Okay, we have chosen this, and then you come here and click on copy. You can see copied to clipboard. And then what you do is you integrate this into your application development environment. So for this example, we have Visual Studio, okay? And then you just go here and paste the copied code into the appropriate file and location within your project's code base. So for example, let me just paste it in right here. You can paste it anywhere you want, as you can see. And it's really that easy. That is how to copy code snippets from Google AI Studio to your app.